everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
It's been a minute since we've done a video, but we have been on a cruise, our very first cruise ever. It's been amazing. Maybe we'll do a video and show you some pictures and tell you all about it, but we have a stack of p.louise boxes that have been sitting here for a week to show you guys. So at least a week. So we have the monthly budget box, and this is the one for April. So it's changed now. You can still get this one, but the one for May is the next one. So they always ship the month after that they are for. So these are the April boxes. And we have two because one was our subscription. And when we saw what was going to be in it, we ordered a second one because we were going through the products that they were showing on the spoiler. And we were like, I want that one. And she was like, I want that one. And then it was like, I want that one. No, I want that one. So it was like, we realized we needed to go ahead and get them both because we wanted one of everything. So we have the second one. And we have the Mini-est mini mystery box ever.
Good things come in small packages.
Good things come in small packages. But this is the littlest one ever. It's so cute. It says in my birthday era. So we're going to do our monthly box first, and then we will show you what's in that mystery box.
And it says the bare necessities, and take a bite, babe. I'm full of flavor. 100% yummy, sweet treat, made with love. And there's little gummy bears all over it. And the back has nutritional facts, guilt-free, and all for me. And
So sugar, you deserve this.
And on the nutritional facts on the back, it says serving size for one. It says contains calories 100% fun, total love 100 grams, confidence boost, a sprinkle of magic, self-expression 100% unique, creativity unlimited, playfulness 5 scoops of sass.
So
kind to the heart, and all the cute little bears on it. The box is adorable.
And there are this box. I'm so excited.
Sorry, I'm opening mine too because I gotta have mine open too.
Okay, so
We'll just show you the stuff in one, but they're each, we'll show you real quick, they exactly the same.
So this set is basically a skincare set, but let's show you these first.
Look at this blinged out boxes with the straws.
They're sealed, and I'm not sure we're both going to use ours, so we're going to only open one of these.
I'll open mine. I mean, it is blinged out.
This is a lip conditioner and a lip oil.
Yeah, these are so cute. I don't even want to open it. It's so cute. It's so hard to
And it literally is
bejeweled. You can feel it as bejeweled. It's like total keepsake all the way
How do you open
around.
it without ruining it?
Oh,
okay. I was afraid you would have to tear it.
No, I wouldn't have torn it. We wouldn't have used the products. Just kidding. But, you know. So inside, look. It has a candy bear.
Oh, cuteness.
Does it say what flavor is? Can you read it?
I think candy bear is the flavor.
Is the flavor? Okay.
Just a babe with a dream and glossy lips.
I gotta open one of them and see what they smell like.
And it says, leave a little shine wherever you go. Candy bear is the fragrance, flavor, whatever you want to call it. So this is, it's cute and hot pink. These all come in that pretty crown. Ooh, the lid is sparkly. Oh, they're not usually sparkly.
No. Oh, I gotta smell it now.
Oh, that is so pretty.
It smells like...
Let me swatch it? See what the color is? Let's see.
What is that?
Okay, so there's not a lot of color, but you can see
a little bit of pink.
The pink in it, so you will get a little bit of a pink color.
The regular cream colored ones, but
so pretty.
Cute with the little candy bear and the little charm.
And they come in the boxes for themselves. So if you got this, you could split this up and make it a gift and gift and share it, or you can use it yourself. So these are all sealed and shrink wrapped. So you could get the box and use what you want to do and gift out the rest. These are amazing. So the next one, as I'm holding it up, is the Peel the Love, and this is a peel off mask. And we each got one, so we're going to open one. We're both going to be using these.
Yes.
The lip oils are the only one that we may not both use because we each have so many of those. But this is the peel off face mask, and this is also in the, I believe it's also candy. I don't know if this one has a fragrance or if it's just the candy bear, but beautiful packaging as always.
Is it taped down?
No.
It's just very.
The boxes are harder to get into. Oh, it's got a magnet top. Look.
Has a magnet on the spoon so you can keep it, open it up, and show them the inside because they're
Let's
so
see.
cute inside.
Look at the outside. It's all gummy bears.
This is like the cutest set. Did you say these you could still get this set?
Yeah, this set is available. This set, if you do a one-time purchase, is $62.
US.
If you 62 US.
Side.
Oh, it's gooey.
It's pink. Look at that.
So you put this on. I'm not going to test
Smell
it out, but oh, it smells good.
It
And
smells fruity.
You use the paddle to get out what you want to use, smear it on, let it dry, and then peel it off.
And I love that the magnetic spoon on the lid.
Cute. I'm going to seal it down. I'm glad that they're sealing them because
Yeah.
when she first started coming out with the skincare, we would get some in boxes, and once or twice it had gooed out. So they are sealed up tight. Nothing's going to squish out.
And this is called All Scrubbed Up Skin p.louise. I think this is the scrub. So this is another skin product. I took the wrapper off, and this box is actually has a little seal
Extra
tape on it,
seal.
extra sealed. So I've got to get some scissors here, and we're gonna open it up. And it says All Scrubbed Up,
It's
and
so
look
cute.
inside. It's green, and it has I forget what kind of what was in it. There
It
was
has a
some-
seed.
has some kind of seed that helps exfoliate when you're scrubbing.
When I can read it better, I'll put it in
Oh.
the corner what it is.
Because it looks like
Cute.
kiwi. Oh, it smells so fruity.
It
Oh,
smells amazing. But it's another gooey, wonderful skincare. You can see why we both had to have a full
Our
set
own.
of this.
yes.
We went ahead and took all the extra plastic off so we could get to these faster. This one is a recovery mask, and this says, "Here I glow again." And this is key benefits. This has multi-level hyaluronic acid and some kind of mushroom extract.
So these all have good natural and high quality ingredients in them for your skin that's healthy for your skin.
As I go through my editing, I'll post in the corner the key ingredients and benefits of each product for you guys. So some of these you'll already have seen that before we got here, but how pretty.
Look at all the bubbles that pop to make this foaming. Oh, does it have a smell? Can we smell if you take the top off?
Oh, it's got a stopper.
Well, don't take the top off.
Can you smell it through?
A little bit, not really strong. So maybe I have to stop
This
this.
has a stopper on the end. Again, they're taking precautions to keep them from messing up in travel because this comes from the UK, so it's going to go through a lot of transitions before it gets here, and they're making sure that it gets to you in good condition.
Perfect condition. So the next one up, we have a Sugar Me Up, and it is a face scrub. Look how
A
cute.
sugar scrub, I'm guessing.
I'm guessing it's a sugar scrub, and
Oh, it's so cute. And gummy bears.
all the cute little bears.
Oh, that's nice.
Another nice fruity
Smell.
gummy bear smell. That
And
sugar
it's not an
scrub.
overwhelming smell.
No, these
It's
are all
just a
very
nice-
light, natural, nice smells.
Our last one is called a popping serum, and this is Bubble Burst, and this says quench your skin's thirst with a splash of aqua glycerin. I'll put it in the corner, but it's a moisturizing serum, popping serum, bye irritation, glow getter approved, Candylicious bounce, mega hydration galore. So this one has a lot of big promises. Ooh.
Oh, how cute. Oh, it's little.
It does have little
squeezy
bubbles
tube.
inside.
And still the gummy bears all over it.
And it's a glass bottle. It's a nice quality
Can
bottle.
I smell it?
Let's see if it has a smell. It had
And
a
it
little
was sealed, too.
sealed to pop off too.
Just a nice sweet smell.
I'm gonna put a dab on because I want to feel the poppies. Oh, you can feel the texture in there, and then they just dissolve into your skin. Ooh, and it goes down to like a water serum. That's nice. So there were 6 products in this box, and they're all full size. So even if you buy it for a one-time purchase, it's just roughly $10 per product.
And for her, for the
This is
kind
like a
of
$20-something set by itself.
ingredients that she puts in her products and the care that she puts into it, and that you have a full skincare set, that's an amazing deal.
This is so cool.
Yes.
Now we're going to show you the Mini-est mini box ever,
So cute.
and give you some information about p.louise. I actually ordered my extra box and this in the same order, but when the order came, it was only the gummy bear box. This was not in it. So if you ever get an order from p.louise and you notice that maybe something's missing or something's wrong, make sure you save your outer packaging, which I can show you what it looks like without showing you my label. It's a gray bag. The label shows you all the items that are in it. So I could tell that this was only one box, and I read the label and it seemed like it was only the products that were in the gummy bear box. So I went ahead and opened it, and I verified that there was not a mystery box hiding in there somewhere. I emailed p.louise. Their next business day, they reached out to me. They're going to ask for pictures of the box, what's in the box, and the label and the packaging. That's true if it's damaged, if you're missing something, whatever's happening. They will, because they will tell you they have cameras in their packaging area, and they'll go back and determine if what you should have gotten was packaged or not. And they were quick once they realized I didn't get everything, and they confirmed that. They asked me, did I want a refund or did I want them to reship? And clearly, I wanted them to reship. So,
Let's open it
this
up.
is the $20 mini mystery bundle, and they are all sealed with their little slip tabs, and I have not opened this one. And this is our inside, so we get
Yay.
first looks. There are 3 products in here, and we got 3 for $20, so that is under $10 a product.
Yes.
Ooh, this one we don't have. This is one of the bases. I believe this is this an eye base? This one's an eye base, and it's got some color to it. The other eye base we have is a neutral, but this one you can use to lay down some color if you want to build on it, or just use it as an eye color itself. And if I'm calling this the wrong kind of base and it's not the eye base, I'll post in the corner. But the only 2 bases I know about that they have are the lip one and the eye one, and the lip one has a different applicator tip. So I think this is a eye base. Now, if the same is true with most of her products, you can use this as a blush base. You can use this as anything you want to use it for. Okay, so we double checked, and this is what they call a cosmetic base, but so you can use it for any kind of base you want to use as itself or build a
Bronzer or
so
eyeshadow.
that is a really pretty color.
That's a really pretty color.
I would use that for a blush color. I
Yeah.
like it. The next one, Krista will show you.
Hydrate the Heartbreak. Ooh. I like that it's in
The blue.
the blue. I love her pink, but occasionally it's been fun getting the blue
that's
stuff.
pretty.
And so this is a hydrating primer. We have several primers of hers. We love it. It's sealed, so since we have some we're using, I'm not going to open it. But I like hers, and I like that this one's a hydrating one. So
It says, rich plumping protection is what your skin deserves. Prime your way to happiness and take what you have earned. Making hydrating my situation.
yeah, fun.
Very cool. Refreshes complexion, hydrates, and replenishes skin, and boosts and brightens. So you could use this alone just to make your skin look better, or under your makeup.
Cool.
And our last one is a lip scrub, and this is sealed, and we have 3 or 4 of these open, but I'm not going to open it. But this is a pineapple sugar scrub for your lips. They're amazing. I have a grape or a plum one or some kind of purple one in my room right now, in my bathroom. So this says, welcome to Scrub Club. So in this mystery box, we got, and these are usually $12 each, and I don't know about the primers, but probably 12 or 15, and then these are like around that too. So for $20, we got at least $30 to $35 worth of product in here. Excellent, and it's fun to get a cute little box.
It is.
And I did this at the same time as I ordered the other one because it saves on shipping to order. We pay usually $13-ish for shipping regardless of what we order. And I got 2 things for the same shipping, so win for me.
Win-win.
I loved it. Thank you guys so much for joining us on our p.louise adventure for this month. We're in May, but these are the April ones. Now, if you order the mini mystery bundle, you may get similar products. You may get different ones. You may get the same things, but in different colors or varieties. Maybe something completely opposite of what we got. I would love to know if you get also the mini mystery box. Post in the comments and let me know what you got. I would love to know.
Yes.
But for today, from Beth and Krista, we want to thank you for joining us and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.